What's up, guys? Sean Deckmar here from Deckmar Alerts. Just finished the third week of March, and it's truly been March Madness. So many of you guys are profiting, so many breakouts have occurred, and so many of you guys are becoming better traders. It's great to see that you guys are loving my strategy and it's working for you guys. Not only are you using my strategy, you're kind of making your own strategy that fits you and fits your trading style, which is awesome to hear and awesome to see because every trader has a different trading style, and it's awesome that mine is working for you and that you're kind of building your own as the day goes on. Um, Such a great week we had. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We've been having some great alerts. AXN was probably Tuesday's winner. Uh, Opened up at around $1.84 and had a great climb to $2.13. The lunch dip came and pushed us down to $1.95, and if you bought in right here, you would have had some nice profit all the way up to $2.23. Wednesday, another huge day, probably the best day of the week for us when given alerts like NVIS and AMRN, both who were top gainers of the stock market. $3.49 opened up at and had a huge monster climb to $4.20. I got back so many messages about how much you guys are making. I'm seeing you guys make $500, $1,000 in one day, which is awesome to see. AMRN is another one you guys took advantage of. $2.33 it opened up and had this huge morning spike up to its resistance of $2.75. Again, I'm sending these emails out to you guys before the market opens, giving you guys a head start on the day, letting you know what's going on, and you guys are really taking advantage of it, and it's awesome to see. Thursday, EXXI I alerted, and that had a nice, beautiful 14-cent run right in the beginning of the day, and had this nice little dip for you to buy on, and really had a nice profit of $3.41, climbing all the way up to 3.93. So a lot of opportunity this week. A lot of you guys took a lot of advantage of it, and it's awesome to see. It's awesome to get messages. I love hearing back from you guys. I love talking to all you guys. I'm helping out anyone I can, and that's why I really made Deckmar Alerts, just to make a nice, tight trading community that we can all just learn and we can all profit together. So it's awesome to see. I've been getting a lot of messages though from you guys saying, "Hey Sean, I only have $1,000. I only have $500. How can I grow my bank account? What is the best thing to do to grow a small bank account?" And growing a small bank account is so hard to do. It's you really have to be precise with every single trade. You have to put so much of your account into each trade, so you're very limited. You got to be smart, and I would say the best way to do that would be buying the dips, or also known as dip buying. That's a slang phrase regarding the practice of purchasing stocks following a decline in prices. After a significant dip in the price of a security or stock index, investors should increase positions or purchase different stocks to capitalize on what is seen as an eventual upswing. Basically, all that means is what you've always heard before. It is buy on the lows and sell on the highs. It's not as hard as you think, and if you know your support levels and your resistance levels, this is so profitable, and you guys will make money on this. The dips would include here, right here, right here. As you notice, it is around $1.55 all the way across the board for months. That every time it came to around $1.55, it bounced back up. And every time you've seen $3.10, $3.09, it dropped. Each time it climbed back up, it dropped to it. So this is your support line where the stock would bounce, and this is your resistance where it could not fight, so it downtrended and had a trend reversal. If you learn these certain patterns, it's very, very easy to make money. You will make money, and it's a great technique that people have been using for so long now because it's effective. There are pros and cons of dip buying though, and the cons would be it's very mentally tough to buy on the dip because you're seeing the stock have downtrends. It's not doing well. The stock isn't doing well. So you have to mentally tell yourself, hey, tomorrow's going to be the dip. Tomorrow's going to be the nice trend reversal. It's very hard to see that a stock would drop 15 cents and that now you want to buy into it when it's just had a week and a half of downtrending. But if you notice for the past couple months, each time it hit around $1.55, it turned around. So you really just have to trust your instincts. You got to trust your technical analysis, and you just have to trust what you're doing. And another bad thing about dip buying would be how long it takes. You're not going to get $2,000 gains in a day, but your gains will come over a week. as you notice, each one of these candles represent a day. So this is about 8 or 9 candles. So it's about a week and a half. But buying at around $1.55 and a week and a half selling at 304, that's over $1 worth of shares right there. That's absolutely banking over $1. That's really great to see. But it's very mentally tough to do buying on these downtrends, and also having the patience to hold and trusting yourself is very tough to do. But if you have the patience, if you can do that, dip buying is such a great thing to do. Here, also, when a stock does break down or it would break out, it always finds a way to balance itself out. A stock, um, it's kind of like its own thing, and it kind of figures its way out. So when there's a breakdown, which for the first time in months it broke $1.55, it came down, and this influenced the whole line of buyers to come in, really just got a lot of attention and pushed the stock up from $1.40 to about 2 weeks later, $10.90, right near $11. So if you bought on this dip, you are really making the best profit. This is GENE, which is the best breakout so far of 2015. If you bought on this dip right here and actually held all the way up to $11, that is huge profit, and you could have done that just from buying the simple dips and knowing your support and resistance lines. Same thing here. We're having support around $2.30 all the way across the board, $2.30, and all the way up on resistance we have $4.20, $4.23. Notice it's downtrending. It hits its mark of support line, and it just shoots right back up. Also, usually it takes a lot longer to downtrend than uptrend because there's momentum, there's buyers, there's a high volume, and when it gets to its resistance line, that's when people just dump it again. And a lot of people want to keep this trend because it's making money for them and it's working for them. As you saw in GENE, when it had that breakdown, this influenced a whole lot of buyers, said, hey, I'm going to get this stock at a great price, and push this thing up from $1.14 all the way up to $5 almost. So another great opportunity to really see these dips and really make an opportunity out of it. BLRX, a great thing about dip buying is if the company is healthy, if the company is doing well, if it's striving and expanding, each dip is going to be a new higher low. So even if you do get a little greedy like we all do, and you don't sell here because you think it's going to keep climbing, you just keep holding it, and no matter what, even on this dip, it's still higher than your last dip, so you're still profiting and making money. Next time it came up, didn't sell again, maybe got another greedy, and you're higher than your last time too. So if you bought at $1.60 and it went all the way up to $2.28, that's a great gain. But what I said before, it takes a very long time. As I'm saying, each one of these candles is a day, but it is profitable, it works, and it's a great strategy. That's why I alerted EXXI. I said it's a great dip buy. If you notice, this was the dip right here. I'll get a 1-month chart so you can see. Here it was, the dip, and ever since then it's just been uptrending. So there's certain things that I see in charts that are very that you guys will learn if you guys just train yourself, study more. You guys will see these things, and you guys will becoming better traders. But yeah, if you need any more advice on dip buying, that was just a little brief explanation. I'll go into more detail if you guys message me. Contact me anything you want. I love hearing from you guys. Love to hear what you're thinking. Even if it's not about stocks, let me know about March Madness. Who you think is going to win that? I got Duke in Kentucky. That's what I'm going for. I'm in a pool. Hopefully they win. But message me. Sign up for my newsletter, send them out every morning, give you guys a heads up about what's going to be going on for the day. You guys are profiting. It's working for all you guys. I'm loving what I'm hearing back. I'm loving the community I'm trading, how we're all so close and we're all just profiting and helping each other out. It's great to see.